In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Square Connector app in QuickBooks Online. We'll walk through the full process from finding the app to connecting your Square account, setting your preferences, and finally, reviewing and adding your Square transactions into your books. Follow along in your own QuickBooks Online tab if you can. First, sign in to your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're in, look for the section called My Integrations. From there, choose Find Apps. In the search bar, type Square Connector by QuickBooks. When you see the app come up in the results, select it. Then choose the option that says Get App Now. This installs the connector and gets you ready to link your Square account. Next, you'll connect your Square account. After the app opens, click Get Started. You'll be prompted to sign in to Square using the email and password you normally use for your Square dashboard. Once you're signed in, Square will ask if you agree to share data with QuickBooks Online. Review the message, then select Agree and Connect or the closest equivalent you see on screen. This authorization is what allows your sales, fees, and payouts to flow automatically from Square into QuickBooks. Now it's time to configure your settings so the sync works the way you want. Start with your deposit account. Here, choose the bank account in QuickBooks where your Square payouts actually land in real life. This helps your books match your bank statements. Then, select the Square locations you want to track. If you have multiple locations, you can choose all that apply. This is especially useful if you want to see how each store or point of sale is performing. Next, pick a sync start date. This tells the connector how far back to bring in your historical sales data, up to about 2 years. Choose a date that matches when you want your Square activity to begin in QuickBooks and avoid overlapping with any data you may have already entered manually. Finally, choose your transaction view. You can pull in every individual sale, which gives you more detail, or you can import a daily summary, which keeps your books cleaner and easier to scan. When those settings look good, select Sync Now. The connector will start pulling in your Square data based on the options you just chose. To review everything, go to the Banking section and open the App Transactions tab. Here you'll see your incoming Square data laid out for review, including things like fees, tips, and taxes. Take a moment to scan each item, confirm it's categorized correctly, and when you're ready, click Add or Match to move those transactions into your books. This final step ensures your QuickBooks records stay accurate and aligned with your actual Square activity.